Find a quiet and comfortable place where you can sit or lie down without distractions. Dim the lights or light a candle to create a calming atmosphere. If you have any items that resonate with lunar energy, such as crystals, herbs, or symbols, place them nearby. And as you prepare for this meditation, take a moment to connect with the spirit of the November full moon. Begin by closing your eyes gently. Take a deep breath in through your nose, feeling your belly expand. And then exhale slowly through your mouth. With each breath, allow yourself to relax deeper into your space. Picture the soft, silvery light of the full moon surrounding you, wrapping you in warmth and tranquility. Visualize the full moon rising in the night sky, bright and full, casting its glow over the earth. Imagine the moonlight pouring down like liquid silver, illuminating your surroundings. In many traditions, the full moon is a time of completion and reflection. It is a time to honor the cycles of life, to celebrate the harvest of your efforts. And in November, it's a time to prepare for the inward journey as winter approaches. As you breathe in and out, feel the energy of the moon entering your body. With each inhale, draw in its wisdom, and with each exhale, release anything that no longer serves you. Let go of the past month, the burdens, the worries, and surrender them to the moon's light. Now bring to mind an intention or desire you wish to manifest. This could be something related to release, reflection, or new beginnings in the coming winter. In many pagan cultures, November is a time to honor the ancestors and reflect on the lessons learned throughout the year. As you hold your intention in your heart, visualize it as a small seed of light. See it glowing gently within you, nourished by the energy of the full moon. Picture this light growing brighter with each breath, expanding to fill your entire being. Imagine the moon's energy infusing this intention, empowering it with strength. November is also a time for shadow work. It's a time to turn inward and confront the aspects of yourself that you may have neglected or hidden away. With each breath, invite these shadow aspects to come forth gently. Acknowledge them without judgment. As you breathe in, say to yourself, I embrace all parts of me. And as you breathe out, release any fear or shame associated with these shadows. Visualize the moonlight illuminating your shadows, transforming them into soft, shimmering light. They are now part of your wholeness, your journey. Feel acceptance and love flowing through you, knowing that you are not defined by these aspects, but that you are enriched by them. Now imagine a soft purple light surrounding you. This light offers you protection throughout the dark season. With each inhale, feel this purple light expanding and growing stronger. And with each exhale, release any doubt you have about your own abilities to protect yourself. The dark season is the time to work with unseen worlds, to work with the ancestors and the spirits on the other side. And it's also the time to protect ourselves from any spirits that may mean harm. Know that you are protected and watched over. Your boundaries are strong. Feel the power of this purple light coursing through you and around you. Now begin to ground yourself. Feel the connection to the earth beneath you. Imagine roots growing from your body, reaching deep into the soil, anchoring you. With each breath, feel the stability and support of the earth, allowing it to balance the energy of the moon within you. Take a few moments to express gratitude for the lessons of the past month and for the cycles of life. Say quietly in your mind or out loud, "Thank you, dear moon, for your guidance and illumination." begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Perhaps wiggling your fingers and toes. Maybe reach your arms up for a nice stretch. And perhaps begin to open your eyes, taking a few moments to sit quietly, allowing the energy of this meditation to settle within you. Allow the intentions you've set during this full moon to resonate with you as you move forward into the winter months. I invite you to take some time to journal about your experience, writing down any intentions or insights that came up, or perhaps feelings you wish to explore. You may wish to create a small ritual to honor your intentions, such as lighting a candle each night until the next full moon, or placing your journal under the moonlight for additional energy. May the light of the November full moon guide you as you navigate your path ahead. This is where I'll leave you. If you enjoyed this practice, please like, share, subscribe, become a member of this channel, or donate for class.